Hey guys, so this is the pattern I'm going to show you how to do today. It's a very versatile pattern. It can be used for many things. We will be using wool-like similane super fine yarn, and the crochet hook is 3.5 millimeters. So the first thing we're going to do is make a loop stitch. Then we will chain 23. Okay, and now we will chain another 3 for the first post, 2, 3, and then we will double crochet in the 4th one from the end. We will double crochet 1, so that makes 1, 2, and then this is the 3rd one, and chain 2, then skip 2, and then double crochet 3, chain another 2, skip 2, chain 2, double crochet 3, but first you have to skip 2. Chain 2, skip 2, and then double crochet 3. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work around, and then double crochet 3 in here where the chain is. 1, 2, 3, and chain 2, and then double crochet another 3 in here. chain 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 1 in the last one over here. Chain 3, turn your work around, double crochet 2 more in here, chain 2, double crochet 3, 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 chain 5, turn your work around, double crochet 3 in here in the chain, and just continue to alternate like that until you reach your desired length. Double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 1 in the last one. This is how your work should look like. I hope you guys like it. Please share and subscribe.